Well, hello and welcome. I hope that this message finds you alive, alert, awake, and enthusiastic about life and living. And if not, hopefully this tip will help. Well, how are you doing this week today? Um, the tip today is, are you taking time out for yourself? Are you putting yourself first? And you say, oh, putting yourself first, that's so selfish. Well, I'm here to tell you that is not selfish, that is self care. I am Elizabeth, and I'm here with the posse today with the energy message for the week of October 12th. And when I asked this week, what's the most important thing that we need to be aware of this week? And it said self care. Are you taking care of yourself? Are you guarding and setting up your own boundaries so that you have enough energy to accomplish your goal? Remember, on this channel, we're talking about how to master your energy so that you can create the life of your dreams. Remembering that we are powerful spiritual beings that co create with the universe. Those things that we think, those things that we feel, and those things that we also speak and see and bring into manifestation. It always tickles me when people say, well, let me teach you the way to manifest. Well, folks, we are always manifesting. We are always bringing into visibility that we envision. Now, consciously or unconsciously, because I know a lot of times people say, well, hey, I didn't create this. But you have to be conscious that it is through your thoughts and your emotions that you create the experiences that you get to either react to or respond to. You can react in fear and worry or regret, or you can respond and say, hey, this is just a new opportunity for me to learn a new skill. This is an opportunity for me to experience how great I am at being able to create that I want. Well, if you realize that your energy, it is how, think of it this way, that if you go to the ocean and if you think of the universe as the ocean where there is no ending, you can go with your thimble or you can go with a cup, a truck. You can receive as large as you choose to fill up that container. But if that container that you're filling up has holes, if it's leaking your energy, you will not have enough to manifest that you want, that you consciously want. So what because we've been are being bombarded by energy from our friends, our family, the TV, the media, and if we do not set up the correct boundaries, we will find ourselves leaking our energy and not able to accomplish our goals. Well, what we did was we put together an energy audit to help you see, are you leaking energy? And if so, how do I plug it up? So, if you're interested in getting the energy audit so that you can plug up, first of all, become conscious of the leaks that you have and then plug them up. Go ahead, try out. Let's see, it's on this side. Scan the QR code and get your energy audit. I hope that this short message helps. I hope that you will become very selfish, care for yourself first, put on your mask first so that you can be able to help others. So, if this message helped, please give me a like. If this message resounds with you and think somebody else can use a little bit of self-care, please do share it. And as I remember that done is better than perfect. We'll get better as we get back into practice of going live and of sharing our message. So, and it's key because we need all of you to shine your light, to tip the scales to make a difference. I think that that's all today. Make sure that you take care of yourself. May light, love, and plenty of laughter accompany you on your journey. May you have a blessed one. I am Elizabeth.